So before every time I go off-roading, I always like to crawl underneath the Jeep just to inspect everything. Found an oil leak on the motor. They look okay, the oil levels are fine, so we won't die out there. But everything else is great.
We know the XJ is good, but I think we're finally ready. And I say this lightly. We're finally ready to get on the trails. I know I've been saying that all friggin' year with this XJ. Let's get out there.
So where are we going today?
The trail, from what I know, doesn't really have a name, but the trail leads to Cascade Springs, which is a really cool, I think it's a state park up above Deer Creek Reservoir in Heber. There's this dirt road that's a back way into it that I think is more fun.
I don't see a trail.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Spence and Marissa here with Core 4x4. Now, I have been talking all year and throughout this Cherokee series about going off-road.
Yeah.
We're finally there, almost. As soon as we got up and parked, our radiator hose exploded on us.
Oh, it just blew the hose. It didn't blow it off.
We're never gonna wheel this thing!
All over my brand new battery too, man. What the heck?
Well, our old ratty hose
Oh boy.
gave up the ghost. Now we have coolant everywhere. We sent Trevor and Cameron off to go get a hose, and we are gonna off-road today. I don't care if it kills me. I don't care if we drag this thing off of the mountain. We're gonna show you how it does on the trails. Driving up here,
It was good driving up. It didn't
Yeah.
overheat or anything, but
and this XJ was honestly the best driving XJ I've ever been in. And that's not just because it has all our parts. It does have all our favorite upgrades for the first time on one Cherokee. We were on a canyon road coming up here, so it did great. But today we are gonna be doing a little trail up Provo Canyon. We're gonna go up to Cascade Springs. Nothing super technical, but we're gonna see how it does on the trails off-road if we can. And we are, I mean, yeah, so.
I'm a little discouraged right now though.
Yeah,
And I am praying that nothing else happens. Like,
feel like
what
every
else could
time
possibly happen?
we've tried to go off-road.
Yeah.
It's been one thing after another.
Yeah.
So
Well,
it is leagues better than when we started on this series. So it's come a long way. And today is our first off-road run. As soon as they get back with the hose, we're gonna get it on, get some more coolant in it, and get on the trail.
our heroes. All right, Trevor.
Got a coolant hose now.
Our knight in shining armor.
Dude, how was this on? You guys got the right hose?
And that?
Yeah?
We got a lower one too, just in case you felt like blowing that one up.
So that's as far as that opens.
Told him a 99.
It's a 2000.
Oh,
Should be the same, right?
should be.
This is so big for this side.
Are you sure you don't have the lower hose?
That looks like the lower hose, dude. That is the lower hose.
3 hours later.
You handed me a hose. I'm replacing a hose.
I don't know anything about cars, okay?
Oh, Trevor handed me a hose.
Thank you, Cameron.
All right,
You
here's
try.
there's the lower. That looks right.
Put it here.
That
Yeah.
goes this way. There we go. Okay. That was marginally bigger than the whole one. We're actually driving to the trail now. And
Hopefully no more surprises.
there'll probably be more surprises.
Yeah, we haven't had the best of luck so far.
You guys look both ways before you cross that.
Alright, first time in four-wheel drive. Temperature's climbing. How's the JL riding, Trevor?
Just motoring right along, dude. This thing's awesome.
I didn't realize this was so rocky from the get-go. I might have bashed the GoPro already.
I haven't seen it fall yet, but you look like you could have let some air out of those tires, though.
I think we're at the top, right? We've been on this trail before.
Hey, Trevor, is this the top?
Yeah, where you're at is.
You're scared? Why? This isn't scary.
Can't even see him now.
You don't need that flare.
Yep, flares are good.
That one is pretty tight.
We are getting attacked by the trees.
It is A very tight trail.
Very, very grateful we have a rhino line. I'm stuck in the river. I didn't think this through. Help! I'm gonna be stuck in here.
No, you just gotta swim.
Babe, it's so high.
Jump across.
Oh, babe, bring the Jeep back for me.
All right, we had to get the camera lady. How come this is the first I'm hearing about this trail? This is kind of cool, like getting back here.
Yeah, I mean, the times I've done it before, it's been pretty rough.
It's rough.
So
yeah.
that's why I haven't really brought anyone down here.
Yeah.
Plus the trees are tight. But I mean, it's amazing down here.
It's very tight. I bet we're all
We got some Rocky Mountain pinstriping going on, but
pretty scratched, but like,
I mean, it's just amazing though.
yeah, if you want to get out in the backcountry and like, I mean, we're in the bottom of the canyon here. This is like a campsite. This would be awesome just to be out here camping by yourself. Like, this is a cool trail. I like it. It's going well so far. The XJ's not died yet, but we'd be kind of screwed if we died back here. Like,
yeah, I mean, we got tow straps. From here on out, it's nothing like what we just did.
okay.
It's not steep. It's not really rocky. There's some big whoops you can get some speed in.
Yeah.
So I mean, it should be pretty easy from here.
Okay. Well,
Should.
Let's see how the rest of it goes.
Oh, the smell of skunks.
Part of going down on a shakedown run is having some of the tools you need. Alright, that would have put serious scratches and everything.
Yeah, this is the tightest trail I've ever been on.
You're definitely down in it. Jail's gonna have some pinstripe. That one like hit us hard.
You have to choose the one with all the thorns on it.
I know.
Oh yeah. No, we're
I wonder
good.
if I brought another Sawzall blade. Alright, I'll try to save some of the paint on these nicer Jeeps. I think we'll stop.
Here and to your left is the Big Beaver Dam.
Alright.
All right, we had to pause for a minute because we're losing daylight. We just wanted to take a minute to say that this trail was awesome, and we are so glad that we came out here today. So that was a good recommendation Trevor had. Even though it was pretty rocky, once we deflated our tires, it was a lot better.
Yeah.
We didn't start deflated. It was pretty bad in the beginning, but
These, what are they called? Mud hogs?
yeah, the mud hogs.
Kanadi? They're like, they're a pretty hard tire.
Yeah.
So we are down a bit. Made the ride a lot better.
Yeah.
We were gonna go to Little Moab, but Trevor convinced us to come out here. We did lose some paint, and if you don't care about that, or if you have a quad or a side-by-side, this is such an awesome trail to get back in the backcountry. We have this sweet beaver dam right here, and it's just
Very
beautiful
pretty.
back here. We have a nice little spot here. We wanted to say goodbye, and we wanted to say thank you, everybody, for following along on this build. It has been a journey, and it has taken us
A few months.
6 months almost to finally get out on the trail. We started with a rusty old 2000 XJ and turned it into this little trail rig that you see here today. Pinstriping all the way down from this trail, but it's finally gotten its feet wet and it has done awesome. Super happy with the build. Everything's performed great. Just a little mishap with the radiator hose at the beginning,
But
I mean,
actual trail riding, did a lot better than I don't know. I got a little bit scared there for a minute because I was like, we have run into so many problems trying to get this thing out. What if something else happens and we break down while we're riding? But that hasn't happened. Couldn't be happier with it.
yeah. So thank you once again for following along. If you like the content, if you like the videos, please like, comment, and subscribe. That really helps us out here, and we'll see you in the next one.
So what's going on?
I may have crashed the drone on that last corner.
Did it?
Oh. Still works.